Charlie and the Crumbly Parade in the snowy village of Crumbleton. Charlie the Christmas cookie is young, cute, and full of giggles. But when he tumbles out of the bakery window and rolls through the mayor's pudding race, the whole town turns into a hilarious cookie parade of crumbs, ribbons, and gold choirs. One cookie, one tumble. A very crumbly Christmas. In Crumbleton, Christmas was a special holiday of love and thanksgiving. Children dreamed of sparkle, laughter, and sweets, and this year's sweet was magical. His name was Charlie, the Christmas cookie. He was young, cute, and full of giggles with sugar sprinkles, a cinnamon smile, and a laugh that jingled like bells. His job, to sit proudly in the bakery window until Christmas morning. But Charlie was ticklish. Every time the baker dusted him with sugar, he giggled. On Christmas Eve, the villagers gathered for the pudding race. The mayor polished the spoon. The baker carried his bowl. The goat choir hummed carols. But Charlie wiggled. He tumbled out of the window. He rolled down the square. He bounced into the pudding bowls. He giggled so hard, the puddings flew into the air. Mean pudding, cried the mayor. Catch the cookie, shouted the baker. Is that a biscuit? Asked Miss Sansbury. Charlie rolled through the square. He decorated himself with ribbons and mince pies. He turned the chase into a parade. Children clapped. The villagers laughed. The goat choir were cookie crumbs. Clara, clever and kind, stepped forward. I love it. It's the funniest Christmas ever. The villagers agreed. They joined the parade. They carried puddings, crackers, and carols. Charlie giggled louder, his sparkle lighting the square. Finally, Charlie calmed down. He snuggled back into the bakery window. The puddings were saved slightly crumbly, slightly silly, but still delicious. The mayor declared, "Let joy be crumbly." From then on, Crumbleton celebrated Cookie Parade Day, where children baked silly cookies, chased them through the square, and laugh until the stars twinkle. And Charlie, still giggly, still glamorous, still the sparkle of Christmas cheer. Again, let's rhyme with Charlie in Crumbleton town, where snowflakes fall. Lived Charlie, the giggliest cookie of all. He tumbled one night, the puddings flew. They landed on goats and the mayor too. Clara cheered, let's laugh and play. And thus began a brand new day. Now every year they dance and sing at Cookie Parade Day. Joy takes wing. Words of the day before we end our story. Let's learn 5 words of the day together. Repeat after me and let's giggle while we learn. Cookie, say cookie, your turn. Giggle, say giggle, your turn. Ribbon, say ribbon, your turn. Pudding, say pudding, your turn. Snowflake, say snowflake, your turn. Wonderful! You've learned 5 new words today. Just like Charlie the Christmas cookie, your giggles can light up Christmas. Let your kindness be a daily sunrise rising quietly, shining gently, and warming every heart it touches. Let's spread a dash of kindness every day. The end, please subscribe to the J channel for kids. Thank you!